Hello, today it's a new lesson. Our lesson today is about possessive adjectives. Okay, possessive adjectives. So what are possessive adjectives? So possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, your, and their. These possessive adjectives, they modify, okay? They have a relation with the noun which is following it. They modified the noun, it is following it, okay? And we use possessive adjectives to show possession, Example, my house is big. So my is the possessive adjective. House is the noun. So my house. My modifies house. My house is big. Another example, is this your car? Is this your car? Okay, so here, your car. Your is the possessive adjective and car is the noun. Here, before going any further, I must explain something. Possessive adjectives, they only have one form, okay? Which means they are always in the singular form. They have no plural form. So example, my pen. The sentence is singular. My pens. The sentence is plural. Well, I mean the noun is plural. So my pen, my pens. Your house, your houses. Their teacher, their teachers. So the possessive adjective never changes its form. It has only one form, which is the singular form. Okay? There is something that I must explain here. Sometimes we confuse between some possessive adjectives with other words. Okay, when I say confuse, I mean that these words, they are pronounced the same way as the possessive adjectives. Okay? So, for example, we have its and its, there and there. Okay? Now let's see how to distinguish between these homonyms. We call them homonyms because they have the same pronunciation but different meaning. Okay? So in English we have it's, it, apostrophe s. This is the contraction form of it is or it has. There is also their. The subject pronoun they, apostrophe re, their. This is a contraction form of they are. And there is the adverb of place there. Okay? So it's an adverb of place. Example. It is not my book. Okay? Or it's not my book. They're my friends. Or they are my friends. Put the chair there. Put the chair there. So there, adverb of place. Okay, now let's practice. Okay, I have some sentences we are going to see if we now understand how to use the possessive adjectives. Sentence number 1, he drives new car. It's for you. Excellent. He drives his new car. So his, because we have he. Remember, he is the subject pronoun and the corresponding possessive adjective is his. Example number 2. I love my sister. Name is Lina. For you? Excellent. I love my sister. Her name is Lina. So her, because my sister. She. Example number 3. The dog eats food. For you? Very good. The dog eats its food. It's because we have the dog. It. Example number 4. They like sports. Favorite sport is rugby. For you? Good. They like sports. Their favorite sport is rugby. Their, because we have they. Last example. Lina and I clean bedroom. For you? Excellent. Lina and I clean our bedroom. Why we have our? Because we have Lina and I. We. Well, our lesson today is finished. I hope that now you are able to use the possessive adjectives and distinguish between them and the 3 homonyms we talked about. Thank you very much and see you in the next lesson. Bye.